use the seasonal vegetables to make some food for a picnic. Let's pull some fresh cauliflower and broccoli first. Broccoli. Ah, there's a bunny popping out. It's a naughty bunny. Cauliflower. 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 Broccoli. Broccoli. Pick the bell peppers into the corresponding baskets. Process the ingredients. Make a delicious burger first. Cauliflower. Tomato. Yellow bell pepper. The rice burger will taste broccoli. Cauliflower. Green bell pepper. Make a sandwich as well. Tomato. Green bell pepper. Cauliflower. Add some vegetables to the tomato. Broccoli. Green bell pepper. The food is ready. Let's go for a picnic in the forest with our friends. Spread the picnic blanket on the grass. Then take the food out and place it on the hamburger basket. Pizza, rice burger, sandwich, juice, strawberry. It's time for the picnic. Change the outfit. Let's get ready to hang out. Let's change into beautiful spring outfits first. Oh no, I feel so cold. This outfit... I feel a bit hot in this outfit. Comfortable to wear lightweight, long-sleeved clothing in spring. Fly kites. La 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 la. The weather is clear with a light breeze in spring, which is perfect for flying kites. Let's make a beautiful kite and get it into the sky. What kind of kite should we make? Owl kite. Let's assemble the skeleton of the kite with bamboo strips first. The soft and flexible bamboo strips can be bent into proper shapes. As bamboo strips are quite light, the kite can fly into the sky with ease. Then fix the kite paper with the tape. The skeleton of the kite is ready. Let's color the kite. Which pattern should we choose? Wow! The beautiful kite is ready. Let's fly the kite. The wind is picking up. Turn the handle to fly the kite. Wow! The kite is flying into the sky. Drag the kite up, and it will fly faster and higher. Flying so high in the sky. Plant flowers. La 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 la. It's warm in spring, and it's a good season for planting flowers. Let's plant the flowers together. There are a lot of weeds on the ground. Let's get rid of them first. Should we plant? Winter jasmine, hyacinth, cineraria, cineraria, hyacinth, winter jasmine. Nutrients from the flowers. Let's get rid of these weeds. Spray on nutrient solution to enable the flowers to grow well.